Nubia may be gearing up for the release of its next Ultra phone, the Z80 Ultra. According to reliable tipster digital chat station on Weibo, the Z80 Ultra, expected to succeed last year's Z70 Ultra, will pack an improved under-display front camera. This feature allows for a full-screen experience without punch holes or notches, maintaining a clean 1.5K display, and a high refresh rate 144Hz AMOLED display. The Z80 Ultra could be one of the first phones to feature Qualcomm's upcoming Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 processor. The rear camera setup reportedly includes at least two 50MP sensors, a main camera and a periscope telephoto. The Z80 Ultra is said to pack a significantly larger battery, over 7,100 mAh battery. The Z80 Ultra could launch in November 2025. The Z80 Ultra might be one of the most distinctive flagships to close out the year. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.